Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. There is an imminent danger of war in Iran escalating once again. The ceasefire is now declared non-existent by Trump. So this candle that you see that from the last trading session is actually deep inside a zone of sell side liquidity. This is a red fair value gap, and this is a level on a monthly time frame that we'll see soon, 24337. That has been been proving to be a huge seller zone. That's huge sell side liquidity, and here we have an extra buffer of sellers, and that is deep into it is what we got a close. So it's not a bad close. It wasn't a reject. It wasn't rejected. It did not respect that seller zone, but still we do not discount the intent of those sellers. Let's get rid of all that what we had analyzed on the previous day and start afresh, starting with the monthly time frame. On a monthly time frame, what is a bias on Nifty? There is no bias on. There's no clear-cut bias on Nifty. Until this monthly close, we won't know if there is one. So we just keep it that way. There are just two important levels that we need to look out for. That is the buy side and the sell side liquidity, buyers and sellers. So this is where the sellers are. There's 1, 2, 3, fourth month that we are being sold off from this level, that is 24337.5, and this is where the buyers are, 22182. That is that. And let's go to the weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, Nifty is bullish, the bias is bullish. Why is it bullish? Look at this. This is a swing low, and if you look here closely, this is a higher swing low. That just means buyers are buying at higher level with confidence. It did not allow Nifty to fall. They are still trying to push it higher. So on a weekly time frame, Nifty is bullish, and we have one fair value gap that we had created on the way up. That's still here. It's a buyer's liquidity zone, so there's always a chance that Nifty can sting back into it and then go higher. So we wait for that. This is a Nifty on a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, there is no bias once again, because you see this is a swing low, that swing low was taken. This is a swing high, that swing high was also taken. So there is no bias on. There is no clear-cut bias on Nifty. Now what we look at is this fair value gap. That's my mobile ringing. Yeah. So that's the bearish fair value gap that was formed on a daily time frame, or while on a violent move down. So that's all the market orders that push Nifty all the way down, and then the limit orders are all pending here. That's a fair value gap, and here you see Nifty is deep into this fair value gap. Now on a daily time frame, we have a few other fair value gaps that might prove interesting. This is another fair value gap. That's the red one, and yeah, this is the large fair value gap that we had formed on this violent move upwards. So there's always a chance that Nifty could sting into this, eat into this liquidity, and then go higher. We do not know if the up move or if the momentum is very high, and the intent of the buyers are good, then it may not swing back too. And there are some important levels to look out for. There are like these two support levels that we need to look out for. These swing highs within this fair value gap, they are if Nifty swing comes down, these are like liquidity pools, these areas. So it could come all the way down here, grab this liquidity, and then go higher. So that's one possibility. And where is the target for Nifty? If it goes up, then this swing high is the ultimate target for Nifty. That is 24,600 is the ultimate target for Nifty. So that's that. And then let's go to the 4-hour time frame. On a 4-hour time frame, also there is no bias. You see, this was a swing low, and then that was taken out, and we do not have a higher low, lower high formation. So that is, wait, I think I made a mistake here. So it is a swing. No, I am right. There is no bias. And on an hourly time frame, by the way, we have a bias here. You see, this is a swing low, and this is a higher swing low. So that makes it bullish. So it's pretty confusing on biases on different time frames. But one interesting part is that deep into the seller zone, Nifty did not fall. That is positive, and that is positive of the earnings season that's coming up. Look out for financials. Look out for pharmaceuticals. Look out for healthcare. See how the earnings come out. That's that. I'm not a certified analyst. I just do this for educational purpose. Thank you.